Hey everybody, we are live at 11:56 p.m. and we are running a 3-winner mini for Svens 12-back Vader. We got 10 spots. I'm going to copy here and take over to random to find our winner. Paste him in there. We got 10 spots. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better. We got a 7, so we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Good luck. Sam takes round 1. Chris 2. Gary takes round 3. And round 4. Chris on top in round 5. Gary takes round 6. Bringing us quickly to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Troy, Josh, and Gary. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification. ZPETOX. Troy, Josh, and Gary are our winners. I am done at 11:57. As you can see here, one last time, there's the results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Maybe in the spring. Later.